Hi guys, Rob here from Reid, here today to introduce you to our E4 Plus e-scooter. At the moment we've got our E4 and E4 Plus for sale. The main differences being E4 Plus has the rear suspension integrated into the deck and the 10-inch wheels rather than the 8-inch. And some additional features as well, which we'll go through in some of the more in-depth videos. The whole series is just aimed to introduce you to the scooters, make sure you get the most out of them, knowing how to use the functions on the display, the app, which is available in Apple App Store and Google Play. And to do general maintenance on them should you ever have an accident or anything. Obviously the scooters are built to be super strong, stable and reliable, but should you ever take a spill and need to replace a wheel or damage the battery or the controller that sit inside the deck, this video series will show you how to repair and replace and diagnose as well. So make sure you hit subscribe to hear about all the latest videos coming through and some of our new models, and keep up to date with all of our latest products.